Hello friends, in our earlier video we learned how to make parameterized blocks. In this video we'll practice that. We will create 5 own blocks which are parameterized: forward, reverse, hard right turn, hard left turn and stop. First let's create forward block. Now we know we need two inputs from the user, left speed and right speed. We'll use text to guide user. Left speed, and then we want a number input. We'll use ls. Again we'll guide using a label text. Right speed, number input rs, and that's okay. So in our earlier video we had modified it. Here we can see how we can create it from the beginning. Now I want to define it. For defining, we know 3 pins for left motor and 3 pins for right motor. Let's change the pin numbers to 3, 5, 4, 7, 6. For moving forward, left motor should be anti-clockwise, so this is low, and right motor should be clockwise, so 7 is low. Speed, we have parameterized blocks, so this is left speed and this is our right speed. So that's our block for moving the vehicle forward. Let's create a block for moving vehicle reverse. It will be reverse, options, label text for guiding the users, number input as parameter, left speed, now here we will duplicate this, and reverse is opposite of forward, which means this should be high, this should be low, this should be low, and this should be high, because the left motor moves now clockwise and the right motor moves anti-clockwise. The speeds ls and rs. That's our reverse block. Now let's create hard right turn. I'm following the naming standard used in Arduino programming, which you are going to learn in your next level, where generally when we have combination of words to make the name, the second, third or fourth words first letter is always capital. First words, none of the letters are capital. Okay, so hard right turn. Now text. For hard right turn we said that we only need one speed because left motor and right motor should rotate at the same speed. So we will use only speed as a label and one parameter called speed, SP. Now we need to define this hard right turn. I'll duplicate this and put it here. For hard right turn, left motor should move forward, which it is doing, and right motor should move backwards, which is anti-clockwise. So this is low and this is high. That is anti-clockwise, and both places the same speed. So that is hard right turn. Now let's do hard left turn. We need to define it. We'll copy this, duplicate. Now here we know it is hard left turn, which means left motor should move reverse fashion. So here left motor is already moving in reverse fashion because this is clockwise. Clockwise is reverse for left motor. Right motor should move forward. Forward means it should move clockwise. So that should be high and that should be low. And both should have same speed. So that is our block for hard left turn. And now finally block for stopping the vehicle. I'm using the name way stop because STOP stop is a keyword in Arduino. I don't want Arduino to get confused, and hence I'm not using the word stop. Instead, I'm using way stop. Do I need any parameters? No, because the speed is definitely going to be 0. It cannot be changed. The direction, it cannot be changed because motors are not going to move. So we don't need any input from the users for vehicle stop. So we don't need any parameters. And let's copy this. We know both the direction pins should have the same polarity. So both should be low. And the speeds should be 0. That is what makes the vehicle stop. So now we have 5 blocks which we have created. And now we can make use of these blocks instead of always writing those 6 blocks of code and write our program. But what happens when I open a new program? These blocks won't be there because these blocks are your own block and they are only there in your own program. If you create a new program, these blocks will not feature there. To ensure that the blocks feature in the new program as well, what you need to create is extension, and that requires knowledge of some other programming languages. So what will we do? Every time should we create our own blocks? That also does not seem to be a good option. There is one workaround. What we will do, we will save this program. I'm saving this as function module. And now every time I want to write any program, I will first open the function module program and I will make a copy of that program. How do we make a copy? Copy you can make it using save project as. Then I will name this program as square. But this is a copy, so your function module program is going to be still there. In addition, you have created a new program called square which exactly looks like function module. So all the functions are there. And now you write the main program to make a square using the blocks. This way, every time you want to make a new program, what you need to do is open the function module program, and then first step is save as. Give a name to that program, save as, so that you make a copy, and in the copy you make a main program using these blocks. So that way your blocks will be available to you always.